Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to add a product meta field, for example, a specifications section, without writing any code at all. But before we start, here is what we are actually going to create. This little section on the product page was added using a meta field. But first, what is a meta field? A meta field lets you store extra information about the product that doesn't exist by default in Shopify. Things like materials, sizing details, shipping info, or any custom text. You decide what to show. Before we jump in, know that Shopify has different types of meta fields for products, variants, collections, customers, and more. Today we will focus on product meta fields since they are the most common. We are going to create a rich text meta field called something like specifications, but you can name it anything you like shipping info, care instructions, or whatever makes sense for your product. That way we can add custom text to any product we want, like materials, care instructions, or any other details. Then we will connect the meta fields to the product page template, so it actually shows up on the product page, only for the products that have content added to them. Okay, let's get started. Go to Settings, then scroll down and choose Meta Fields and Meta Objects. Then choose Products. Now click Add Definition. Here, give your meta field a name, for example, Specifications. Under Type, we will choose Rich Text, so we are not limited to just one line. You can also use single line text if you prefer. Then click Save. Now, let's add content to a product. Go to Products. Choose the product you want and scroll all the way down. You will see the new meta field we just created. Let's add some text like material or whatever you need for your product. And I'm going to write Made in Italy. Then click Save. Next, let's display this on the product page. Go to Online Store. Then choose Customize. At the top, choose Default Product from the template selector. To preview the meta field live, make sure you select a product that already has this meta field in. Now scroll down to where you want the info to appear and click Product Info. Then click Add Block. I will choose Collapsible Row because I like the idea that customers can click to reveal extra info. You can also use a text block or anything else that supports dynamic content. And under the title, I will write specifications. Then in the description area, click Insert Dynamic Source. Now choose the current block, and from the list, select the meta field you created. Click Save, and that's it. Your new meta field is now live on the product page and only shows up for products that have the content in that field. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more meta field tricks or how to add icons, extra rows, and more.